for my fire fans, I would have set my titty on fire. Good thing I practiced with them not lit. Today I'm going to show you the chair spin, probably one of the first moves if you've ever taken a pole class that they have ever shown you in a pole class. It gets your feel for moving around the pole. Chair spin. When we get started with all of our spins, I like to give a nice little wind up count around as I go. We always start with the inside foot. So I'm going to give it a 1, 2, and then on 3 is where I'm lifting off and going into my spin. It gives you a chance to kind of create your momentum around the pole and get the feel for the circular shape we're trying to make as we go around our axis. So chair spin, inside hand is going to go nice and high. We want to make sure we're still engaging through this shoulder. It's not pulled all the way up to our ear and we're like hanging off of it. We still want nice engagement, keeping that shoulder connected into our socket and connected down with the lats right here, those lovely little wings you have. Your back muscles are way bigger and stronger than the tiny little shoulders, so we always want to make sure we're engaging down and into here and into our core, not just through the arm itself. We don't want crazy huge biceps and nothing else to match. So, inside hand, coming semi-high. Don't go too crazy with the height. The higher you grab, the more you have to pull yourself up off the ground. So, inside hand high. Other hand, as I get ready to take off for my spin, to make the chair spin, is going to come across the waistline and press into the pole. I'm going to use this hand to kind of push my body away from the pole to keep me out and balanced and yet still spinning around. We don't want to grab onto the pole too tight. If you grab tightly and squeeze, you are not going to spin anywhere. I try to have an open palm as I press into the pole and use it to guide me around. So 1, 2, and 3, and we're just tucking our little leggies up and allowing ourselves to whip around. Nice tight core, engaging and pulling the knees up. Try to get those little toes pointed, or if you want, nice intentional flex. No awkward in the middle stuff. Nice straight line, pushing across.